Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So if you guys notice that I am wearing the same clothes from my project pan update, it is the same days. But anyways, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video, and it is for a VoxBox from Influenster. So I'm super excited that they sent me a box. If you guys haven't signed up to Influenster, you guys should. It's completely free, and they send you free samples for you to test out and review, and it's just great. It's free stuff. Who doesn't like free stuff? But anyways, I'm about to open it up. I actually got this a couple of days ago, but since I'm like super busy doing homework, so I barely had time to open it today. Ta-da! So they sent me the BareMinerals The Power of Good VoxBox, this one right here, and I'm super excited for the minimalist and the maximalist and all of us. New Mineralist Hydra Smoothing Lipstick, creators of Clean Beauty. I've never tried any of the BareMinerals lipsticks, so yeah, I'm super excited. So let's open it up and see. It says Influencer right there. Ta-da! So it comes with a little card. New Mineralist Hydra Smoothing Lipstick. More clean, vegan, naturals, less unnecessary ingredients. BareMinerals The Power of Good. And it comes in 25 shades. Here are the shades, and I'm super excited. So these lipsticks are vegan and cruelty free, as you guys can see. Cool. I'm super excited to see which shades they sent me. Okay, so they only sent me one lipstick. So this is the lipstick right here. It's a super cute packaging. And they sent me the shade Courage. And it looks like it's going to be a super pretty red, like a watermelon red or something. Or is it pink? I'm not sure, but let's find out. Ooh, I'm super excited. Ooh, look at this packaging. It's like metal or something. So this is what the lipstick looks like. I love the packaging. So let's take a look. Ooh, that's so pretty. Look at that, you guys. Beautiful red lipstick. Oh my gosh, I don't even want to touch it. It looks like someone touched it right there, but I don't know. Maybe it was just because it was melting off or something. But that's okay. But look at this beautiful red lipstick. It's so beautiful. I can't wait to try this on my lips. So I'm going to swatch it. Oh my gosh, this is super pretty, you guys. It's a very bright red. I think it smells like strawberries or something, or cherries. I don't know. Maybe I'm just hungry. I can't wait to wear this on my lips. So I'm going to try it on my lips right now. Let me just take off the lipstick that I have on. I feel super creamy. So this is what it looks like. It's very pretty and very red. I feel like it has like orangey undertones or something. I don't know. What do you guys think? And I know I didn't apply it perfectly, but I love how this looks. It looks super pretty and I can't wait to wear it out. I'm super happy that I got this BareMinerals lipstick. I've never tried any of their lipsticks before, so I'm super happy that Influencer sent me one. I think I've only tried their liquid lipsticks. I might have one or two that Influencer also sent me last year. It says cold pressed fruit oil packed with minerals, vitamins, and omegas to help provide nourishing hydration. So according to this little pamphlet right here, it says that it claims 2 times hydration, 2 times richer color. 91% of consumers agree this lipstick makes their lips feel smoother. Proven to significantly reduce visible lip lines, texture, and dryness in just 1 week, even when removed. And well, my lips feel really hydrated right now. I didn't apply lip balm before this, and my lips look smooth, like if I just applied lip balms. And well, the color is super rich. You guys can see it's super bright. What do you guys think about this lipstick? Have you guys tried it? Let me know in the comments below. So it's not transfer proof, but it's still on my lips, so that's what matters. But anyways, let me know if you guys have Influencer and if you guys also received this product, and if you guys did, what color did you guys get? If you guys want to sign up for Influencer, I will put the link in the description box so you guys could go sign up and get free stuff. Well, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this small video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys!